828 Finder Venture here. I've got a new interior mod that I'm going to do using a product made by Tufskinz. So let's check it out. So hey y'all. So there's a lot of silver in the Tundra interior and a lot of glare comes off of it. So I wanted to try these things called Tufskinz, and they're basically like a bubble sticker type piece. It raises up on it almost just shy of 1/8 of an inch. Anyways, I wanted to try these to cover up some glare and a little bling to my interior. One of the first ones I wanted to install was this red ring that goes around the ignition. I don't have push button start, but I did like this as a way of, I don't know, dressing it up a little bit. The next one I wanted to install was for this giant silver piece around the shifter. It puts off a ton of glare depending on where the sun is. So Tufskinz makes this piece that goes on here, and I wanted to give it a try as well. The last one is this little piece that you can customize with the color or text you would like. It goes on the console, and I wanted to cover up the piece that said SR5 to just say Tundra. So I ordered one in the colors I wanted, of course, black and red, and it looks pretty good. Now let's go ahead and install these, and I'll show you how it's done. You will need some alcohol, like rubbing alcohol or some alcohol wipes to clean the surface. If you don't, they're not going to stick. Just like anything else in your vehicle that uses that 3M all-weather tape or whatever, always treat it with some type of 3M adhesion helper or an alcohol pad. That always really makes it permanent. So basically, I just clean the area around the ignition where the keys go and cleaned it off really good, and then you wait for it to dry. It's really no big deal. And once it's dry, which I just used a microfiber cloth, then you just peel the back off the little red ring or donut shaped thing, and it just goes right on. Here is the part as it comes from Tufskinz and the part number. I would refer to the website to make sure you get the correct one for your vehicle. So I just carefully opened it up with a razor blade. I really don't recommend doing this in the car because if you slip, you could cut your console or something else, or yourself. So anyways, these are made really well and they're packaged well the way they're delivered to you. But basically it has a really good tape on the back that you peel off the piece just like a sticker. So first I make sure that it's going to fit correctly and that I was sent the correct part. Then I just go ahead and line it up and stick that sucker on there. And it looks pretty good. I really didn't know what to expect or what I was gonna get, but it goes on really well, and I like it. Hey, just checking in here. Hey, be sure to check out some of my other videos on the Toyota Tundra. I've got some on exterior stuff and interior stuff, so be sure and check it out. Thanks. Now here's the next piece. This is really gonna help block some of the glare. I'm still kind of trying to figure out what to do around the drink holders. Those reflect the most light, but mostly into the passenger's eyes. So again, I really shouldn't be using a razor blade inside the vehicle. I could cut the upholstery or the console. I don't know what I was thinking, but anyways, it was so hot outside. I was sitting in the car with the air conditioning on. That is probably why I did it all inside the vehicle. So anyways, you install it the same way. You line it up and make sure it fits good. Then you peel the back off, just like a sticker. and then you stick it down carefully, making sure it lines up where it is supposed to go. The tape on the back is really sticky, especially after you clean it with an alcohol pad. So I'm just telling you, get it right the first time. I always wipe it down after I put stuff like this on just to get the fingerprints off. And there you go. It looks pretty good. And I think that'll cut out some of the glare. Now the last one is this small piece that I had made, and I picked the text and I picked the color to go over this little SR5 piece of plastic. I don't hate the SR5. I just want to eliminate it. So first I just clean it with some alcohol. Then I get a little microfiber cloth and I dry it real good. Make sure the SR5 emblem is snapped in really tight. Then I get the little sticky part that I ordered. I line it up to make sure it's gonna fit and everything's gonna be well. You can see I got it in black with the red Tundra word on it. So basically I get it out, peel the back off, and then stick it down. It is a little difficult to line it up because there's adhesive on the back and you're trying to stick it down in such a small, confined area. But you'll do it, just take your time. It looks really good though. This is one of my favorite pieces. Well, I hope you liked that video on the interior mod that I did using the Tufskinz overlays, or sticker, you might call them. Anyways, easy install, look really good. I would definitely go to their website and check it out. I'll put a link under the video in the description. I've also got some other videos on Tundra modifications, exterior and interior, so be sure and check those out. If you would, hit the like button and hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And stay tuned for more videos on the Toyota Tundra. Thanks. See ya.